is Karen March from Hilton Head Island. Wow, look at the birds. Hi, Freedom. It's okay, Freedom. It's okay. Hey, birdie. Hello. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. Hey, Freedom. Hello. Hey, everybody, I'm at Feathered Friends Forever, and my parrot, Freedom, in the travel cage, used to live here for 3 years, and these are his friends. This is a yellow front Amazon right here. This is a double yellowhead. Got a lot more yellow. And on the right is a blue front parrot. And I'm sorry it's so loud. Oh. Woo, a little bit of aggressiveness. All right, we're signing off. It's Karen March from Hilton Head Island. And I'm at Feathered Friends Forever.